As trial users continue exploring Service Desk, one of the next value areas to highlight is self-service. Beyond ticket submission and request fulfillment, teams also need a way to help users solve common issues on their own. This is where the knowledge base comes in. In SolarWinds Service Desk, the solutions area acts as a knowledge base where teams can document how incidents are resolved and also preserve best practices for future reuse. For this example, I'm going to create a simple article called How to Reset Your Password. This is a great trial example because it's easy to understand, easy to demonstrate, and relevant in almost every environment. I'll create the article in plain language, keep the steps short, and make sure it answers the actual end user question. In my case, we have an existing documentation that I can just copy and paste here in the description box to build this article. The goal here is not just documentation. The goal is deflection. If users can solve a common issue on their own, technicians spend less time answering the same request again and again. Now that the article exists, I want to make it useful beyond the technician side. Service Desk allows solution to be visible in the portal simply by changing the solution state to approved. Highlighted solutions can also be displayed within the portal. So highlighted items are ordered by the most recent edit date, which helps keeps fresh and relevant content in front of users. I'll make this solution visible in the portal simply by making sure that this checkbox here is checked. Once I do that, employees can discover it as part of their self-service experience instead of immediately opening a ticket. This is where the story gets stronger. The portal is not just a place to submit requests. It can also surface helpful knowledge to redirect users toward quick resolution. Now, let's look at the technician side. Service Desk allows incidents to be attached to a solution, which creates a relationship between the issue and the fix that resolve it. To attach a solution, just go to the Related tab, click on Attach, go to Solutions, and choose the relevant knowledge base. That means when similar issues show up later, technicians have more context and can move faster. So if I resolve a password related incident, I can connect it back to the solution. Over time, that makes the knowledge base more than a library. It becomes an operational memory for the service desk. You can also use portal widgets to surface helpful content, including highlighted or popular solutions. That is especially useful in a trial because it lets user immediately see that the system is not only capturing tickets, but also helping reduce them. If you want one practical takeaway for a trial users, it is this. Do not wait to build a huge knowledge base program. Start with 3 articles tied to your most common requests, like a password reset, VPN access, or maybe a new user setup. That is usually enough to demonstrate the self-service value. A small knowledge base can create an outsized impact because every reusable answer saves technician time and improves the employee experience. That's it for this video, and see you on the next one.